Okay, guys, so I'm inside of an airplane. I'm super scared. It's my first time in the airplane. I'm inside. The wing came off. The wing just came off of the airplane. Everyone is in there screaming. It's rolling. I gotta go. Guys, I'm sorry. I think I'm about to die. The wing of the airplane came off. I think I'm about to die. I'm sorry, man. This door just opened. I think I'm gonna fall down and die. I'm sorry, guys. I'm falling out of the airplane now. I'm falling. I just survived this airplane crash. Everyone is dead. And I think I'm about to die next.